Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you 3 different GitHub repositories every developer should know. The first one is the developer roadmap. The developer roadmap shows different diagrams for developers, where you can see what to learn next. So we have 3 different diagrams for the front-end developer, back-end and for DevOps. Here you can see the topics required for all the 3 types. Now let's have a look at the front-end roadmap. Here at the top left we have a legend which explains the icons. So for example, the purple checkmark is a personal recommendation. The green checkmark is an alternative option. The gray one means that the order is not strict, and the last gray one is not recommended. So first, the front-end developer should learn the internet and then look up questions like how does the internet work, what is HTTP, browsers and how do they work, and also DNS and domain names. And here you can see how you move through the different topics and then learn more details about the topics. When you scroll down, you can also see the back-end roadmap, and at the very bottom you find the DevOps roadmap. Let's move on to the second GitHub repository. This is a repository free programming books, and it contains a lot of links to courses, podcasts and programming books. And also here at the end of the links you can see the abbreviations for the different languages like English or Spanish. Let's have a short look at the free courses in English. Here you can see the index, which lists all the different courses. Let's have a look at data science. So here you can see that the topic data science is split up in different subtopics. And when you click here, you can go to the actual source which was recommended. And the third repository is the free CodeCamp repository. Here you can see the table of contents, and what is really nice is that you can gain different free certifications. For each certification you need about 300 hours to go through when you are a beginner programmer. Let's have a look at the different certifications. So here we have responsive web design, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, front-end libraries, data visualization, and APIs and microservices certification. And the last one is information security and quality assurance certification. Do you know any GitHub repositories that you want to share? If so, please leave them in the comment section. Also, I will leave the links to the repositories I showed you here in the description box. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.